Alright friends, now it's your turn. You're going to use these letters down here and drag them to make a word that ends with I-L-L. So I might go whoop, and then you can make two more. And then on the next page, you're going to spell words that end with E-L-L. So you might do F, fall, fell, like somebody fell down the hill. And then if you finish that early, I have an extra special challenge for you. See if you can make 5-letter words that end with L-L. So they might end with I-L-L or E-L-L. That's up to you. Good luck!